What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be backtesting the Punchback spike detector system. Okay, so basically what the Punchback spike detector system does is it give you signals right on boom and crash. Okay, so as you guys can see currently we're on boom 1000. Okay, so I'm just gonna add the Punchback spike detector system to my chart, right? Okay, so as you guys can see, I have the Punchback spike detector system on my chart, right? So basically what this system does is it gives you buy and selling opportunities. For example, you can see that we have this circle over here, right? I mean this arrow over here, this red arrow. Now that means that we are supposed to sell over there, and then we have this blue arrow. But you guys need to watch this video until the end to see if this really works. Now, what does the Punchback spike detector system tell us when we install the indicator? Okay, let me just click on the Punchback spike detector and click on properties, right? Common. So it basically tells us spike detector, boom crash detector, magic spike killer, each signal ID valid for only 100 seconds. Okay, so it means when it gives us a signal, right, the arrow, it means that the signal is only valid for 100 seconds. For example, if you get an arrow over here, you are supposed to take the buy. If it's more than 100 seconds, you exit the trade. Okay, so that's what it's basically telling us. So guys, let me just zoom out. So you can see that we have all of these arrows over here. So basically what the Punchback spike detector did was it gave us buy and sell arrows. Okay, so you can see over here we had a lot of spikes. Okay, we had this red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. So the blue means that we are supposed to take spikes. Okay, we are supposed to get ready because the spike is about to occur in the market. But when it comes to backtesting this system, I found something different. And I'm going to show you guys now what I'm talking about. I'm just going to backtest it for a few minutes and you guys can see for yourself what the Punchback system does. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm just waiting on the Punchback spike detector system. Okay, so you guys can see over here, we're on meta tester, right? We're just waiting for the update. Okay, see if the system really works. I'm just gonna make it a bit slower and you guys can see if it really works. Okay, so you guys can see over there where the buy. Okay, now the arrow disappeared, right? Because it was more than 100 seconds. So check this out. Look at what the spike back test system is doing. So that is already one loss. Okay, out of one trade it's a loss. Okay, because most people would have bought over there because they thought it was a spike, right? So let's see. Okay, there's another entry. Wait, the arrow is still there. Okay, 1 out of 2. Okay, one win, one loss. Now we have entry. We only take 5 candles profit, then we out. Okay, 3 trades, 2 wins. Do you guys see what happened over there? It didn't give us the arrow. Okay, didn't give us the arrow over here, and now it gives us this red arrow. But look what happened. Give us a red arrow over here, but then it disappeared. Right? It repainted. So you guys need to be cautious when using this type of system. Okay, so you guys can see there was a nice trade, but look at it. It gave us a spike, okay, but there was no arrow. Why? Why is it doing that? I don't know. Okay, let me just make it smaller. Again, gave a spike, no arrow. Let's just wait and see if it gives us an arrow so that we can take an entry. Okay, it gives us an arrow. Do you guys see how the system is repainting? Look at that small spike. Okay, there's a big spike, but the system is still repainting. So that's a bad thing for people who's using this system. Because at the end of the day, you will lose more money than you make money, okay? Look at it. Check it out, guys. Still a bad system, okay? Because the way it moves and the way the stuff it does, right? It repaints, okay? And it doesn't give the arrows that we need to trade, okay? So far it only gave a few accurate signals. So you guys can see that this system is just not the one for you. That's why I prefer trading with price action on boom and crash, or I use indicators, right? I don't mess with systems, and the reason is because most systems repaint, but there are good systems out there that you can use, and maybe I'll backtest one for you so you guys can see, right? Now this is not a whole system. This is only the spike detector, right? Maybe there's more stuff that you can add to the system, right? I don't know because this is the only thing I found. So that's enough, guys. I think I'm just gonna show you guys my way, how I prefer using this system. Okay, check it out. Gave us a blue arrow, but it didn't give us a spike. So after you guys saw what happened when we backtested the system, it gave us a lot of false signals, right? And it always gave us a late signals, okay? So guys, I just want to show you something real quick and how I prefer to use the system if you want to use it, right? Now the only thing I do is when I use the system, okay, if I want to use a system, I would just take out, I would just use the moving average, okay, which is the now the 300. I'll just prefer using the 200 moving average, and the substitute be zero method. Let's make it exponential. Okay, apply to close styles rate. Okay, so you guys can see what's happening over here. So check this out. Every time, okay, when price is above the moving average and it gives us spikes, it occurs, right? And you guys can see every time that it gives us the sell signal and it's below the moving average, we sell. But let me just go back to show you guys what I'm talking about. Look at this. So you guys can see that we're well below the moving average, okay? Then it gave us this red arrow, okay? And we could have taken about 5 candles, then the spike occurred, a red arrow again, red arrow again, a red arrow, red arrow, red arrow, red arrow, okay? So you guys could have eaten over here, right? But when it comes to the spikes, let me just see if it's all also that accurate, okay? So you guys can see over here that price went above the moving average. So we had this first spike, okay? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. But the thing is, when you look for spikes, what does the system do? The system does not give you the arrows before the spike occurs. It usually gives you the arrows after the spike has occurred. So my preference for this system is when you want to trade the system, you can use a 200 moving average, okay? With these small arrows, okay, which is the red ones, right? And when it's below the 200 moving average, the only thing you handles profit, then you're out. Example, you guys can see over here, we could have taken profit over here, over there, over here, over here, and over there, and over there. Okay, so guys, please do not use this system to get spikes because at the end of the day, what's gonna happen to you? You guys are gonna get late entries, okay, because the system is not accurate, right? It's not accurate enough. And the reason why I'm saying you're not supposed to use the system as well is because by the look of things, the arrows that it gives you, it's false signals. I don't want you guys to blow up your account. That's why I backtested the system so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So if you guys want more videos like this, make sure to comment down below and tell me if you don't understand anything. So that's the only thing I wanted to explain to you guys about this system. But so far, you guys can see that this system repaints a lot. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.